Hey guys, it's week 15. Hope everybody is doing well. So this week's assignments you'll find under the materials of your Schoology. You'll click on week 15. There is one video that you're gonna watch. So it's linked here, 15.1 end behavior video. Then you'll have two Schoology assignments to complete. As you're doing these assignments, I suggest that you have your math notebook out and that you take notes on what the assignments are about. So if in case you haven't looked at the other materials in your course, there is a late work log. So if you are submitting any assignments late, please make sure you add them to this Google Doc. And once I actually check your late work, then I'll put in the check mark. Otherwise, just leave it there, and then I'll be checking those late work assignments. And the other thing is we will have a Zoom conference this Thursday at 2 p.m. So you can access a Zoom through this link. This is a Zoom, I called it Zoom Tutoring for Algebra 2. And if you're in Block 7, you have a similar link in your Schoology, Zoom Tutoring Algebra 2. And that'll take place this Thursday at 2 p.m., which you'll notice in your calendar. Also in your calendar, you'll notice that grades are due May 13th. But as I told the students in the Zoom, I will most likely be submitting prior to that. So I'll probably be submitting that Monday, the 11th, because Schoology will probably crash that day. So please, please, please keep up with your assignments. Hope to see you log on our Zoom this Thursday. Have a wonderful day.